Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your body? What's behind every breath, every heartbeat, every thought you have? From the brain that allows us to think and dream to the heart that pumps life through us, to the lungs that help us breathe, each of these organs has a vital role. And each one, in its own way, is a marvel of biological engineering. But what if I told you that even a tiny malfunction in just one of these organs could affect the entire body? It's mind-blowing. Exploring the marvels of the human body's internal organs. Our body's internal organs are more than just parts inside of us. They're an entire ecosystem, working together to keep us functioning, healthy, and alive. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for the human body and the fascinating internal structures that make us who we are. To fully understand our organs, let's take a journey back in time. For centuries, ancient civilizations believed that the heart was the seat of our emotions, and the liver held mystical powers. Ancient Egyptians, for example, would preserve the liver, lungs, stomach, and intestines separately from the body during mummification, considering them essential for the afterlife. The brain, the command center. Let's start with the brain, the command center of the body. Weighing about 3 pounds, the human brain is the most complex organ, managing everything from movement to memory and even our emotions. Neurons in our brain communicate through electric signals, a bit like a lightning storm, helping us learn, feel, and move. Just think about it. Every time you say, "I love you," or remember a funny joke, your brain is working behind the scenes to make it happen. Compared to a supercomputer, the brain still outperforms in terms of processing power and energy efficiency. It's capable of performing billions of tasks per second using just the energy of a light bulb. The heart, the lifeblood. Next up is the heart, our body's tireless pump. It beats about 100,000 times a day, moving blood through over 60,000 miles of blood vessels, enough to circle the earth twice. The heart pumps oxygenated blood to nourish our cells and collects carbon dioxide to release from our lungs. But it's not just a pump. The heart plays a role in emotional responses. Ever heard of heartache? That's because heart rate and stress hormones are affected by emotions. Fun fact: a whale's heart can weigh over 400 pounds, while a hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,260 times a minute. Lungs, the breath of life. Now let's take a deep breath and talk about the lungs. Our lungs aren't just sacs of air. They're complex, with tiny structures called alveoli where oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide leaves. In one day we take about 20,000 breaths, giving us the oxygen we need and helping us expel waste gases. But did you know that the surface area of your lungs is about the size of a tennis court? Liver, the detox factory. Our liver is like a busy detox factory. It processes nutrients, detoxifies harmful substances, stores vitamins, and produces bile to help digest fats. Working non-stop, the liver filters everything you eat and drink, protecting your body. In ancient cultures, the liver was seen as one of the body's most important organs, a view we still hold today. The kidneys, the purifiers. And then we have the kidneys, our body's incredible purifiers. These bean-shaped organs filter about 50 gallons of blood a day, removing waste, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. Without our kidneys, toxins would build up in our bloodstream, and that could be life-threatening. Think of them as the ultimate water purifier, always keeping our internal environment balanced and clean. The stomach and intestines, the digestive experts. Last but not least, let's talk about the stomach and intestines, the powerhouse of digestion. When you eat, your stomach's acids break down food, and the intestines absorb nutrients, sending them to cells all over the body. Your intestines alone are over 20 feet long and contain trillions of bacteria that help with digestion and immune health. This unique partnership between you and your gut bacteria is essential for health. How it all works together. These organs don't work alone. They're part of a team, constantly communicating and adapting to keep you alive. Your heart pumps oxygenated blood to the brain, your liver processes nutrients for the cells, your kidneys filter out waste, and the cycle continues, every minute of every day. That's the beauty of our body. A finely tuned, interconnected network, keeping us alive and healthy. So next time you take a breath or feel your heart racing, take a moment to appreciate your body's hidden powerhouses. The human body is more than the sum of its parts. It's a marvel of nature, working in perfect harmony to support every moment of our lives. Thank you for exploring the wonders of the human body with us today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Stay curious and keep exploring. There's always more to discover.